Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today please join me in cooking Chopsuey, Chinese style. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, onions, pork, tofu, cauliflower, carrots, snow peas, broccoli, celery, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, quail eggs, mushrooms, bochoy or bochoy, whichever you prefer, cabbage. We have cornstarch, of course salt and pepper, olive oil, fish sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and we're gonna use a little bit of water. Let's get started. Okay, in a hot pan, we'll put our olive oil. All right. And then our onions. It's just a reminder, when you cook chopsuey, you have the options to add your favorite vegetables. You're not limited to 2 or 3, you can put all the vegetables you like. That's why we have a lot of ingredients tonight, because I put, I think, 6 or 7 kinds of vegetables. Okay, let's cook it for a minute. Okay, it's time to put our garlic. Now we'll put our pork. We will saute our pork for a few minutes until it becomes brownish. Let's put a little of fish sauce, just a spoon of fish sauce, and dust of pepper, and we'll cover this and saute this for a few minutes until the meat is golden brown. We'll cover this. Now we'll put a little bit of water, just a little bit of water, and we're gonna let this cook again for, I should say, 5 minutes until it gets tender. Now let's check our pork. I think it's tendered now. So we're gonna put other ingredients. Now we'll add our tofu, our carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli. We give it a good stir. Right there. Then we'll add a little 2-3 of water. Okay, and we'll cover this. Let's check our vegetables. Oh, it smells good. Now we will add our snow peas. Celery. The red bell pepper. And the yellow bell pepper. Looks beautiful. Look at the colors. Like what I've told you, you're not limited to the number of vegetables you can cook, you know. It depends on your favorites. Okay. Now you will add just a spoon of or teaspoon of hoisin sauce. Okay. And tablespoon of oyster sauce. There you go. And then also we will add our white wine, just a tablespoon of white wine, which I failed to mention earlier. And then we're gonna give this a good stir. Wow, it smells so good now. It's yummy. There you go. Then we'll cover this and simmer this for the next 2 minutes. Now let's check on our chopsuey. Wow. It is getting juicier now, you know. So we will add 3 more ingredients here. Gonna put our mushroom. Wow, this will be real delicious. And cabbage. And we'll cover this and cook this for another minute. Now let's check our chopsuey. Wow, it's aroma. Now we're gonna put our bochoy or bochoy. There we go on top. And the last one is our quail eggs. Wow, it's amazing, huh? It's beautiful. So another minute or so, this will be done. Now, the final touch is our cornstarch. So we're gonna have a little thicker sauce. Because right now it's not, the sauce is thin, so we're gonna put a little of cornstarch, and we're gonna give it a stir Wow, it's beautiful, huh? Delicious. Remember, you are not limited also to putting meat on this. You can cook this with fish fillet or shellfish like shrimp, things like that. So there you go. You're gonna transfer this in a serving dish, and it's done. Here is our finished product: Chopsuey, Chinese style. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you and have a good day.